So my name is Cassie Meyers, and I am a mural paintings conservator and I'm also an architectural conservator. And I've been involved here a few times at Vizcaya. Actually, this is my 5th time here in various capacities to look at the Chandler ceiling. The ceiling is a highly challenging project because, for one, obviously it's in Miami, and one of the things I've learned from one of my colleagues here is that actually in industry they bring objects like cars here to Miami to be tested because it's one of the harshest environments you could find, worse than the Northeast with freeze thaw. So the poor ceiling is experiencing that. Probably when this house was built and when Chandler did the wonderful ceiling, the thought of longevity was not really part of their plan. But it is kind of amazing as much of it has survived as it has. But it, it faces challenges of huge amounts of humidity, obviously, of wind. Salts, which one would have imagined would be a huge problem, is actually not as much of a problem as we thought. But the materials and the paints themselves are quite delicate. So I'm here for the week working with other conservators to do testing for treatment with the hopes that we find a protocol for doing conservation treatment of the Chandler ceiling. So right now what that involves is another paintings conservator and I are looking at the treatment and the conditions of the painted surface. So we're doing various tests to put down flaking paint, tests to do reattachment of some of the loose applique. So before our work, there's been a few years of investigation, analysis, documentation of the ceiling. So there's a great deal of thinking and a great deal of work that's preceded this step. The ceiling's been laser scanned, full conditions assessments have been conducted, X-radiography has been done, salt analysis has been done, plaster analysis, paint analysis. It's a huge amount of work that leads us to this point of finding a way to actually treat it.